According to the Border Area Development Project, Inspector General Hardeep Singh informed that they had spent about 2.89 crores for infrastructure in the border. They had also been helping the people in the remote villages throughout the state by providing free ration distribution and other essentials during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Items in the villages, in the remote villages, like sports items and other daily use items, to the people who are living in the border areas, to help them and to improve their livelihood. In the BADP projects, we spent about 2.89 crores to develop infrastructure in the border areas. Among these infrastructure, there are a few items which are of daily need in the villages, which are remote, and people in the border areas, they feel difficulties of doing day-to-day activities in the border area which are remote, like waiting shelters, footbridges, RC tracks, pipeline, drinking water